Hello Kickserv users! In today's short video, I'll show you how is Kickserv data mapped to QuickBooks by filling a few fields. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to create a new contact, sync it, and show you how it looks on QuickBooks. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Customers, then add a contact. It's gonna be a company or a location. Here I have the information. And I already had it, so I'm gonna autocomplete it. Here it is, then I'm gonna save the contact. And here we have our new contact, Philips Handyman Services. There's a really important thing to keep in mind. Remember that if you are using the default setting, Edit Contacts in QuickBooks, you always need to generate an invoice so the updates are reflected in QuickBooks when you sync any change. But if you set it to Edit Contacts in Kickserv, then the customer record in this case will go over without any invoice. So I'm using the default setting. So I already create my invoice and I'm gonna click on Sync with QuickBooks. It takes a minute. Here we have it, the sync is complete. Then I'm gonna go to my QuickBooks page and I'm gonna refresh it. I'm gonna go to Customers and look for my customer. Here we have it. And here we have all the information, the customer name, email, phone, the billing and the shipping address. In here, it also appears the address, and well, this is it. So, if you want to know all the information that is transferred in every QuickBooks sync, I will leave a link in the description of the video. Have a good one, and don't forget to give us a like and follow us in our social platforms. Bye bye!